we're going to be using Audacity to take two recordings from a double ender to synchronize the sound and to output them as one cleaner working waveform. So when we open these up, you can see here's the clap sound in each of these. You see there's kind of a big gap. This recording has a little bit more at the front. But the first thing I'm going to do, this is a habit to always get into, is go ahead and just save this project. Save that in that Audacity folder. Alright, so we're going to use this time shift tool so we can get this clap to be as close as we can to start with, just to get it kind of lined up. Then you can use your zoom tool to kind of really get in there. We can see that this is even still significantly off. Let me find it. Go back to our time shift tool. See if we can get these to line up pretty good. I'll go ahead and zoom out using Command 3. See the whole waveform in there. Move our playhead to the beginning. Go ahead and
1, 2, 3.
It's not bad.
I am speaking directly into an iPhone to record my own voice so that I can get an audio waveform that will then be put together with a second audio waveform from my guest interview.
And I am recording directly into my mobile phone, so I can then send my comments to the host, so they can be mixed down into one track and the audio quality will be good.
So overall, it's not too bad. From this point, we might want to trim the beginning and end. I wouldn't necessarily go right up there, just to give yourself a little bit of breathing room. And you can select across both waveforms. I'm going to start here and drag up. I'm just going to take that out. Start near the end of this waveform. Pull it past that. All right, then I'm going to export this. I'm going to export this as a wave just so I have the highest quality file that I can get from this recording. Find my save location on the desktop. I always like to make little organized folders. So there's a wave. That's okay. You can add this if you would like. All right, so if we go into our Finder, we should have our waveform.
I am speaking directly into an iPhone to record my own voice so that I can get an audio waveform that will then be put together with a second audio waveform from my guest interview.
And I am recording directly into my mobile phone, so I can then send my comments to the host, so they can be mixed down into one track and the audio quality will be good.
All right, so that's how you'll take in Audacity 2 tracks, synchronize them, and export them as one waveform.